We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go!
And welcome to Riot as we head into our first period. It looks like we have 5 of our 6 robots in motion. Starting on my red side for 318, 1391, just missing that cube into that node. Team 18 is balanced on that charge station as our drivers step forward and take those controls. And then for our blue line side of the field, Team 17, 12, and strong, working on putting it into that co-op node, and it does fall in that top shelf. Sticking on our blue side of the field, Team 8714 has that cone in their manipulator, working on placing it on that middle node of the outer grid. And that does fall. And now to our red alliance side of the field, we have 2 red robots looking to score. Team 1391 Metal Moose placing that cone into that hybrid node. And Team 1218 SCH Robotics working on placing that cone into that upper node of the co-op grid. And at that blue alliance feeder station, we see Team 9991 and 1712 working on grabbing those cubes from those human players. As we see all 3 of our red alliance robots looking to grab game elements from their feeder station as well. Team 8714 looking to play a little bit of defense here, trying to slow down this red alliance. Team 1391 sneaks by, looking to head back towards that outer grid with that cone inside of their robot, placing it on that top, completing that link. And our red alliance has achieved that 4 link minimum to be able to get that extra ranking point. As our blue alliance Team 1712 racing back across the field, looking to grab another cube from that feeder station. As Team 1218 is heading into that red alliance community with that cone inside of their claw. And that signal means that it is endgame, and our robots will try to work together to balance on those charge stations. Team 1391 for our red alliance going up and over that charge station, working on getting themselves lined up with Team 1218. That's SCH Robotics as our blue alliance looking to do the same with Team 1712 and 8714. We have just about 5 seconds left here as that red alliance charge station is bounced, and blue as well with 1 second remaining. That will be the end of our first qualification match.